Hello friends, my name is Ganesh Prasad. I'm working as software development engineer at Publicis Sapient. In this video, we'll talk about competitive programming. Let's get started. So what exactly is competitive programming? Competitive programming is a mind sport which usually held over the internet in which participants try to solve the problems according to the given specifications. Now what kind of specifications and what kind of problems? We'll talk about that later. Competitive programming is recognized and supported by several multinational software companies like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Yahoo, etc. So in this era, students must have the skill of competitive programming. So here is the demo problem statement. The name of the problem statement is never-ending competitions. There are two specifications mentioned in here. One is time limit per test and one is memory limit per test. Now in competitive programming, you have challenges on time as well as memory. Now you have to write the code in which your time limit shouldn't exceed 2 seconds and your memory limit shouldn't exceed 512 megabytes. If your code doesn't meet these specifications, then your code won't be accepted. Now you can pause the video and read the problem statement on your own, or I will explain the problem in brief to you. So there is a person, Jinotega. He starts his journey from the home airport, like your home airport is New Delhi. So he take multiple flights from his home airport. Now you need to write the code to tell the user whether or not he is at his home airport when he ends his journey. Here is the input format. As you can see, the first input is the integer, which tells you the number of journey taken by Jinotega. Then there is a string, which is SVO. SVO is his home airport code, right? And then his journey starts. The first journey is from SVO to CDG. The second journey is from LHR to SVO. The third journey from SVO to LHR, and the fourth journey and the last journey is from CDG to SVO. Now, as you can see, he started his journey from his home airport SVO and he ended his journey to SVO. So he started his journey from the home airport and ended his journey at home airport. So the output should be home. Now consider the second example. There are three journey taken by Jinotega. His home airport is again SVO. He started his journey from SVO to HKT. Then his second journey involves his journey from HKT to SVO and third journey from SVO to RAP. As you can see, the first home journey is SVO and the last airport location is RAP, which is not his home airport. So your output should be contest. Now let's talk about the approach that should be taken to solve this problem. Whatever information you have in your input, you have to use that information to produce the desired output. You have his home location and you have his whole journey information. Now consider the first example. The home location is SVO and then his journey starts. Now consider the last journey, which is from CDG to SVO. Now you have to match his home location to the last airport. When you match SVO to SVO, then the match successfully happens. That means he is at home. Now consider the second example. His home location is SVO in here, but his last airport is RAP. When you match these two strings, the successfully doesn't successfully happen. That means he is not at home. Then you should output contest. So where exactly was competitive programming was in this problem statement? Well, you had time limit constraints as well as memory limit constraints. In order to be an efficient competitive programmer, you need to use the best algorithm for a problem statement and you need to use the best possible data structure in order to accept your solution. And the companies are looking for such kind of programmers which can think about the best algorithm and the best data structures possible for a given problem. So here is a course outline that we will be covering in the bootcamp. And this is your whole journey from novice to ninja. If you have more queries and if you want to participate in the bootcamp, then call or WhatsApp on the given numbers. See you in the class. Thank you.